Hello and welcome to the Preparing for Meditation tutorial. My name is Hope Suggett and I'm your Awakening Consciousness Facilitator with Y.E.S. So this little tutorial is going to give you some foundational skills for preparing for a deep and safe meditation. You can also use this for shamanic journeys or anytime that you're preparing for a ceremony or a ritual. All three of these techniques will make that experience better for you, and you'll find out why as you go along. So one of the things that I believe is the reason people struggle with meditation is that they don't prepare for it. Meditation is a surrendering of the ego, and that is, our ego is what keeps us feeling protected in life in general. So when we meditate, we're surrendering that, and that can be kind of scary for some people. However, if one prepares for meditation, they can relax more because they're grounded, they're surrounded by protection, and they're fully cohesive in their mind, body, and spirit. Preparing for meditation is quick and easy, and it becomes quicker and easier each time you do it, until one day it's as natural to you as breathing. So the first step is to ground yourself. This is a technique for making sure you are connected to this earthly realm as you explore the realms of your mind. It is easy to allow your consciousness to drift away from your body while you're in a meditative state. When you are grounded, you're free to fly, knowing you will safely return to the physical plane once the meditation is over. There are so many ways to ground yourself. I mean, just so many ways. But I'm going to teach you one that I find is most effective. It's grounding to your Earth Star chakra. This chakra is located about 12 inches deep into the earth, and it moves as you move. It connects you to the earth energies your physical self needs. Think of it as a gateway between your lower three chakras and the very earth which birthed you. Through that gateway, you can access earth energy, and you can gain stability and strength from grounding to that gateway. When you ground to your Earth Star chakra, you are grounded to the earth. The second step is to surround yourself with protection. This protection covers your physical self as well as anywhere your consciousness takes you. There are many ways to surround yourself with protection. If you have a favorite, please feel free to use it here. However, I ask that you try this super quick way of enlisting help from your spirit team to do the work for you. They want to help you. And one of the best ways they help is by providing you protection from any unwanted influences. This is crucial to meditation. You don't want to have to worry about other energies who are attracted to your vibration trying to influence your experience. Listen, energy is fun to play with. However, when you are in a vulnerable situation, you need to be protected. This is also important because you want to be able to trust the insights and messages you receive during your meditation. That's the whole purpose of meditating. Besides the obvious physical benefits of meditation, you are also open to receiving answers to your prayers. How else will you get them if not during a silent moment of deep contemplation? Again, I'll go over how to call in your spirit team to protect you, but first let's talk about calling yourself home. Now, as we go about our day, from the very moment we begin engaging with the world, our personal energy begins dissipating. We give it away, sometimes it's taken from us, and sometimes we splinter off some of it during traumatic events. It's no wonder by the end of the day we are feeling wiped out. That's not just physical fatigue, that is subtle energy body fatigue too. And there's a remedy for that, and it's super important that you do this before you meditate. We're going to practice that as well as the grounding technique. But right now we're going to get started. We're going to just start with the grounding and walk through it all, okay? So let's talk about your Dantian. Dantian is a martial arts term for your life chi or life force. So make a fist with either hand, it doesn't matter. Just make a fist and place your thumb on your belly button. Right below your fist is where your Dantian is located. It's between the second and third chakras. Using your inner vision, just take your awareness to your Dantian now. Take a look at the color and the movement of your life chi. Typically it looks like the sun. It's all the orange, yellow, and gold colors of our glorious sun. And it moves like the sun, throwing off filaments and roiling around and spinning, and it needs to be in motion. If your Dantian is not vibrant colors of orange and gold, and it is not moving and swirling, you may want to spend some time breathing into it. Let's practice that now. Imagine your lungs as a set of bellows. When you breathe in, the bellows expand, and as you breathe out, the bellows collapse. Take a deep breath and inhale pure energy. As you exhale, imagine everything negatively impacting your Dantian is being blown right out. As you are working the bellows of your lungs, your Dantian is growing brighter and larger. Just keep blowing all that negativity out of it, and it will keep getting stronger. Keep doing this breathing practice until you can see a notable improvement in your Dantian's color and movement. A motionless life chi means a motionless life, and that's no way to say yes to your essential spirit. So just practice that breathing technique anytime your Dantian is feeling sluggish or isn't looking vibrant, orange and gold and yellow. Alright, now let's talk about the Earth Star Chakra. This chakra is located outside of your body, about 12 inches into the earth. Even if you live on the 100th floor of an apartment building, you can easily access your Earth Star Chakra. The Earth Star Chakra has no movement. It is solid and steady as a rock. It is black or a very dark brown color. Let's take a look at it. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, follow your breath down your chakra heart line, that line that connects all of your chakras to each other. Just follow your breath down that heart line, past the root chakra, and into the earth. Not far, just about a foot, until you connect with a solid mass of energy. This is your Earth Star Chakra. It's larger than your other chakras that are inside your body. It's going to be larger than that. It's motionless, dark in color, super strong and solid. You do not have to breathe energy into it to activate it. The Earth Star Chakra and the Soul Star Chakra are always activated, always. So just check in with your Earth Star Chakra and just see how it feels to you. We'll come back and visit it later in this tutorial. Just evaluate it for now, just so that you recognize it. Now that you understand about the Dantian and the Earth Star Chakra, let's connect them. I invite you to softly close your eyes and allow your breathing to become calm and effortless. Once you feel centered in your breath, take your awareness to your Dantian, your life chi. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, drop a thin golden cord of your Dantian energy down your chakra heart line, through your second chakra, through your first chakra, through the floor and into the earth. Continue to allow this drop of golden Dantian energy drop all the way down until you reach the solid mass of your Earth Star chakra. When you reach it, anchor your golden thread of Dantian right to it. Just pin it. Just drop it like you're dropping anchor into the ocean. Do you notice any difference in the way your body feels? Do you get a sense of how solid your Earth Star chakra energy is? As long as your Dantian is anchored there, you are grounded to the earth safely and completely without disturbing Mama Earth. Now let's turn our attention to my technique for surrounding yourself with protection using your spirit team. When you click on your energy switch, you call in all kinds of energies. Your ancestors and dearly departed gather closer, your angels perk up just in case you need them, and all of your spirit allies go on standby status. You also draw lower vibrating energies. Like moths to a flame, they cannot stay away from your light. In order to safely allow your consciousness to explore yourself, you need a circle of protection around you. A beautiful bubble of love ain't gonna cut it here. Save that kind of protection from where you're helping out a distraught friend. When you are opening yourself to other realms, you need the protection of the otherworldly energies that love you the most. If you know them by name, call them in. If you don't, stay with something more generic but just as impactful. You could say something along the lines of, I call to me and this space my spirit team of angels, ancestors, and allies. Circle around me and surround me with your loving protection. Purify this space with your blessings. And keep out all energies that do not resonate to my soul's highest good. Take a moment to envision a group of light beings encircling you. Feel their love pouring out to you. Flow some gratitude their way. And after your meditation, don't forget to thank them for being there for you. We're not going to practice this technique now, but I want you to promise me you're going to practice this before you meditate again, okay? So now we're going to talk about calling yourself home. Home in this context is you. You will be calling your scattered energies back to yourself. Always go into a shamanic journey, a meditation, or a ceremony with your energy completely restored. If you don't, you risk a depletion of energy, inviting illness or just an overall feeling of unease. I always counsel my clients to call themselves home at the end of every day. Even if you're not going to do a meditation or a journey, it's best to not feel scattered when you're trying to relax or sleep. Try this technique out tonight and see if it makes a difference in how you feel in the morning. Okay, are you ready to practice calling yourself home? Using your inner voice or said out loud, say your name 3 times. Each time you say your name, imagine your scattered energy is rushing right back to you. Much like calling children home for dinner, call yourself home now. Now take a deep breath and allow yourself to settle into your body. How do you feel in your body right now? How does it feel? Does it feel lighter, brighter? Do you feel more energized? You can also use this technique anytime you're feeling stressed out or when you're about to engage in a stressful situation. Just call yourself home so you're complete before having to deal with anything stressful. Alrighty, well that is your pre-meditation preparedness tips. I do all 3 of these before I meditate or go on a shamanic journey or do any ritual or ceremony. It only takes me about 7 to 10 minutes to do all 3. It may take you longer, but soon you will notice that it becomes easier and easier. It's worth the effort so that you can fully relax into the experience without worry. So always take these steps to prepare yourself for meditation. I'm wishing you the brightest of blessings as you say yes to your essential spirit.